Good day, everyone, and welcome to the kickoff for GitLab 13.6. This is for the product planning group, part of the plan stage. Here's our kickoff issue, which I will link below in the YouTube video. If there are any questions about any of this, please don't hesitate to reach out to us on these issues or to me personally via email or through GitLab. Just a note here, as of 13.6, the existing groups of under plan of certify and portfolio management have now been merged into a single group called product planning. If you'd like more information on that, there's a link to the relevant merge request. Otherwise, I will continue on with the planning and kickoff. We did do some work with engineering to determine how much rollover we had from 13.5. After much collaboration, we feel that we have approximately 29 weight of issues will roll over from 13.5. So we have scoped accordingly for the 13.6 kickoff, and what we should see here, we believe will be a stretch goal for us, but we believe the majority of it will fit. GitLab does like to plan with a stretch goal in mind, understanding that these are plans and they're subject to change. So we're going to do our best to get as much of this done as possible in 13.6 and provide a really great release from the new product planning group. The first thing we're very excited about is the import requirements. I know I talked about this last month under the certified group, and we were excited about it as well. It did not fit into 13.5, but we were able to go through and revise and really ensure that our MVC will meet the needs of our users. So we're even more excited now for 13.6. This feature is going to be really great for those users who utilize external requirement management tools or get the requirements flowed to them from outside tools. This will enable them to import them from a CSV file and then work within GitLab as a single source of truth for all of their software development needs, and that's a very exciting step forward for us. The other thing we're looking forward to releasing is the Epic Swimlanes MVC. We are working on completing this before releasing it to our users. Some of the previews have been really great, so this is going to be a great feature. This will allow us to actually group your issues by epic on the board, and it looks fantastic what's been done so far. It's going to be a great planning tool for us, and we're very excited to release that. Finally, we're really looking for some epic usability improvements. We've kind of set a theme this month with this merging of the groups to create a better user experience, and these really go along hand in hand with that. We want to begin work on epic boards. So right now there's issue boards, and with the advent of Swimlanes, you'll be able to actually group those boards by epic. But there's also the need to be able to plan out your epics and put them into a board as well, so you can actually see as epics move throughout your life cycle. We're taking the first steps toward that in 13.6. We're going to have epics on cards. You're going to be able to move them around on a board, and that's a really great feature for our users, and one that we're very excited to release. Another thing we want to do is improve the epic creation experience. The epic creation experience currently, when you click on a new epic, you're able to put a title in, and you're able to click create epic, and then you have to actually navigate to that epic to add in relevant information like descriptions or labels. What we're proposing to do here is when you click on new epic, you'll actually get a full epic page where you can put in all the details you want so that you won't have to have this two-step process of actually going in and manually editing your epic. So that's going to be a great usability improvement. The final thing we're looking to do is integrate this filtered search component into epic lists. So the filtered search component is a common component used across all the things listed here, and what we're concerned about right now is integrating it into the epics list. And once we use this filtered search component, it will allow us to use a consistent experience across these components and will really improve the user experience, we feel, dramatically. So we're very much looking forward to releasing that and getting some feedback on that. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Another very exciting release for us here as our first release in the product planning group. So very excited for that. If there's any questions, again, please just let me know. Thank you so much for your time.